This is a Bolt Pro cutting wood. Now watch the smoke. Quickly all gone. Hi guys, I'm Laurent from Thunderlaser and welcome back to our workshop. That's the Thunder Air 700. In the next few minutes, I will take it from the box to the first run and connect it to two completely different machines and show you the right way to handle your air, not just blow smoke out the window. Let's have a quick tour. Air comes in at the bottom and clean air goes out the top. And that's by design. An optimized bottom to top airflow with the fan mounted up top for a stronger and more efficient pull. It's also the opposite of what most people assume. Touchscreen up front and power switch round the back. In the box, a hose adapter for the smaller Aurora pipe, a T-handle hex key, a socket screwdriver, the power cable and a DB9 cable. Before anything else, check the rating label matches your main voltage and frequency. So connect the hose to the bottom inlet, the basic hose for the Aurora, and use the big one for the Titan. Something important, keep the seal tight and the hose straight. A kink chokes the airflow and kills the performance. Here is why this unit is different. It fits the whole Thunder range. On Titan Pro, we use the large diameter pipe straight into the bottom inlet. That's it, as simple as this. And on a smaller machine like the Aurora, just swap to the smaller pipe. Same Thunder Air 700, completely different machine, but no second extractor needed. The air it gives back is already 99.97% clean, so you can run it straight back into the room if you have no other option. But the best practice? Still duct that purified air outside through the top outlet. The difference versus a plain exhaust line, a plain pipe, just throw raw smoke outside. This clean it first, then vents it. Flip the power switch on the back. When the screen lights up, switch the language to English, then hit start. Here is coming a basic extractor will never tell you. The screen shows the health of each filter layer. Green is good, yellow means order a replacement soon, and red means replace it now, no guessing. Actually, replacing and cleaning those filters is a whole topic on its own. That's our next video, the filter you never replace. But before you run a job, there is one setting most people get wrong. The fan speed. 5 steps. 200 up to 700. Light engraving, keep it low and quiet. A heavy smoky job like the Bolt Pro cut you just saw, take it right up. More smoke, more speed. Watch over on the Bolt Pro. Full smoke, and clear that fast. And it's not just smoke. Engrave clear acrylic and you get fumes and fine debris you don't want to breathe. Watch those vanish too. When the job's done, don't kill it immediately. Let it run about a minute to clear the last of the smoke. Then press stop and switch off the power at the back. That's your Thunder Air 700, up and running. it's the perfect addition to any thunderlaser machine, because we are not just building machine, we are building one ecosystem where every machine completes the others. If this helped, hit subscribe, and the link to add the Thunder Air 700 to your setup is right below. I will see you on the next build. Take care guys, see you soon.